Hello guys, here is I have Dynabook laptop. Problem is the screen is cracked. You can see I just turn on and the screen is all the way cracked, and I'm gonna show you how to replace this screen. So keep watching and stay with me. First we're gonna remove this rubber. There is four screw. Top of the screw there is rubber. We have to remove this rubber first. Just remove this rubber. Now we're gonna remove this four screw. We're done with this screw. Now we're gonna turn off this laptop. You can see blue light. It has to be turned off. Just keep holding the power button. It's gonna turn off. Let's turn off. And now we're gonna remove this top frame with this open tool. So we just pull it up. Look like here is a crazy glue on it. Customer put it on glue. I don't know why. That's why it's a little bit hard to remove here. Yeah, it's crazy glue here, and the other side is okay. Just pull it up with the finger, and bottom side also like same thing, like pull it up with the finger and it's come out easily. Look like there is a lock. You just slide it on back. Yeah, it cannot come out like that on left side. And we're gonna remove this LCD now, and look like this LCD behind there is no glue, so easy to remove it. Now we're gonna remove this connection, the screen connection. First we're gonna apply some heat and remove this tape, and there is one lock we have to pull up and slide it down. You can remove this screen. And here is the new screen. We have to put it back, the connection. Now we're gonna slide in, and there is one lock. We just press it down. That's it. And now I'm gonna put it back tape so it's not gonna move it. Now you're gonna check the screen, make sure, turn on the laptop, check the screen, see, make sure it's working. Yes, it's working. It's turning on. Yes, it's turning on. Now we're gonna put it back this frame. You can see here is two antenna line and one ribbon on left side. This goes to inside this gap. Just like that, and then press it down, and we're gonna check on behind there is any ribbon come out or not. No, it's not come out. Just press it, so it's gonna be lock it. It's nice. Now you're gonna lock all side. Just press it down with the finger. There might be a way to put back glue on it later on. And let me see open. Let me see on back side is good. There is no gap. And now we're gonna pull up, see smoothly is we can close and open. Yes, we can smoothly close and open. And job is done. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it. If you have any question, let me know, and thank you for watching.